Welcome to Hilton Northolme Resort Spa in Seychelles. We've been working tirelessly in the last couple of months to enhance the property and make sure that we look better and better every day. We really look forward to see you again in our property, but let's see our team member what they have to say about it.
We can't wait for you to celebrate an exclusive experience with your loved one.
We cannot wait for you to say I do to the love of your life.
We can't wait for you to taste the catch of the day.
We cannot wait for you to come to experience our private pool life.
We cannot wait for you to adopt the pearl with us and help us create an entire new reef.
We cannot wait for you to try our home-grown produce.
We cannot wait to show you how we redefine sustainable travel in our little paradise.
We can't wait to have you sipping your cocktail by the pool.
We can't wait for you to try our culinary delicacy and the beautiful view.
We cannot wait to welcome you in our beautiful spa overlooking the ocean.
We can't wait to see your smile again.
We cannot wait to welcome you back to our newly renovated spaces.
We can't wait to be a part of your majestic sunset moment.
I think the message is clear now. We can't wait to have you back in Seychelles. See you soon. Ci vediamo presto.
نراو bientôt.
See you binnenkort.
Film लेंगे.
إلى اللقاء.
A bientôt.
Do zустрічі.
Tuonane hivi karibuni. Na utahamu.
Sinyo laban ako.
和您相约32。